Hi everyone, this is episode number 4 of Property Jobs with Vess and Wayne. Wayne, how long have you been in the industry?
20 odd years. I had to think about that. I'm actually quite good with numbers.
Yeah.
20 odd years, and that's as a salesperson, as an auctioneer, and also as a business owner.
Yeah. Okay, so out of that experience, what are the most common mistakes you've seen people do when they're selecting an agent to represent them for the sale of their property?
Okay, yep, sure. So yeah, vendors sit there and they have a small matrix of what they think is going to be the way they select the agent.
Yeah.
I reckon the common mistakes are very easy. They rely on the CMA.
Which is the appraisal.
The appraisal, yeah. And they fairly well go with the person who gives them the highest number.
Yeah.
It's logic. And I think there's some hope in there. They go, well, yeah, I hope so-and-so can get that. If they could, that would be magic, even if the vendor doesn't believe that number's there. So they go with that. It seems crazy to me. Years ago, around the GFC, in fact, we had a business at that stage, and we didn't do appraisals before the 2008 Act. And with our clients, we would say to them, if you want to know the value of it, get a valuer.
Yeah.
So the valuer will tell you and me what they think it's worth. And then we can use that when we're dealing with buyers. So first mistake is making a decision based on who tells you the price you like or the most. Yep. The second one is the fees. It's just counterintuitive that you go with the cheap person or the person who negotiates their own fees. Like that should be the first flag of I run away from them and I run in the opposite direction. Now the agent's got to earn their fees, and I've seen it, and they do. Yep. And it's got to come out of the money the buyer pays. You just got to get the buyer to pay more money.
Yeah.
And if I look at this, and these numbers aren't exactly right, but your fee is it's less than 3%. So a vendor focuses on 3% of the sale, ignoring 97%. So mate, just look at the 97. Let me make it bigger, the 97 bigger, and don't worry about the 3.
Yeah.
It ain't quite 3, it'll be less than that, 2.7 or something.
Yes.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, absolutely.
Sweet. So, they get hung up on the CMA and go, I like this one, they told me a bigger price, even if you don't even believe it yourself, yeah? Next one is they go, I'll go with the cheap one. The only time in the world we go, cheap is better. Go to the dentist, cheap, no way. Heart surgeon, no way. Car, no way.
Agent, yes.
Agent, yes, we'll go cheap, yeah, that'll be better. Holy damn, man. And you're ignoring the big pie,
Yeah.
Focus on the little bit. Then the last one, I reckon this is going to be a surprise, is, and they should be going to auction. Best method of sale. Agents, when they sell their houses, go to auction. But people that list don't appreciate how the process works, and they don't even make the auction. So at auction, at the point of sale, if you've got the right auctioneer and the right auction process and auction company, that's the person doing the negotiating for you. So they're the one holding the baby. The agent's not there, the vendor's not there, it's the auctioneer. Unless that auctioneer abdicates from that and goes, I'm scared of negotiating, then you're in trouble. But that's the person you should meet also. How good are they at negotiating? Can they hold the line where it's only one bidder? Can they give you professional advice? How much time will they put into an auction to make sure you get the most? So if I was talking to vendors, those are the mistakes. CMA, fees, and not actually meeting the person who will do the negotiation. There you go. How's
Interesting. That? Yeah, awesome. Thanks, Wayne. Thank you.
Pleasure.
And guys, see you on the next one.
See you, ciao.
Bye-bye.